Hi everyone, and welcome to this demonstration on how to install Nurture on Microsoft Teams. First of all, here I am in a Teams channel in which I want to install Nurture. Installing Nurture is very simple. All I need to do is navigate to this plus tab here and select Add a tab. I then get the option to add a new page, existing page, or apps, so I'm going to select apps. When the search bar appears, I'm going to select Nurture or input Nurture. I then simply select it. A little pop-up will appear from Nurture on getting started with assignments, etc. And I simply select Save. Nurture is now installed as a tab on my team. And once Nurture is installed for me as a teacher and my students who already have access to this team, students will not need to install Nurture. So once it's installed for me, it's installed for all the students in my class. And that's it. In the next video, we'll look at getting started and also inputting our curriculum boundary. Thanks for watching.